Why are there not more people talking about the quirky and lesser-known tales of the American Civil War? Let's dive into history's shadowy corners and discover some true surprises. Imagine this. During the Civil War, soldiers didn't just fight with guns and swords. Some battles were won with words and cunning. The Union had a balloon corps used for spying on Confederate troops. Yes, aerial espionage in the 1860s. And speaking of spies, ever heard of Sarah Edmonds? She was a woman who disguised herself as a man to fight for the Union, but her story doesn't end there. She also served as a spy and once infiltrated the Confederate Army in disguise. Talk about a double agent. Now let's talk numbers. Did you know that the first income tax in the U.S. was imposed to fund the Civil War? That's right, your tax history started with a war. And here's a heart-tugger. Soldiers from both sides would often hold informal truces to exchange coffee, cornbread, and sometimes even play baseball. Amidst the chaos, a touch of humanity. As we wrap up, think about this. The Civil War shaped modern America in ways we are still understanding. So the next time you sip your coffee or file your taxes, remember the tumultuous times that shaped these everyday aspects of life. Caption Battlegrounds of History, exploring the American Civil War, 1861 to 1865. Dive deeper with us, #Civil War, #History, #American History.